Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to send an ACH payment with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you're new here, ACH stands for Automated Clearinghouse, and it's a secure way to electronically transfer money between bank accounts. It's faster than checks, often cheaper than wire transfers, and perfect for paying bills or sending money to friends and family. Whether you're a Wells Fargo customer or just curious, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Wells Fargo online banking account ready. If you don't, download the Wells Fargo app or head to their website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfers or Payments section. It's usually front and center on the dashboard. Now, select the option for ACH transfer. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details, like their bank's routing number and account number. Double-check these to avoid any hiccups. In 2025, Wells Fargo has made this even easier with enhanced security features, such as two-factor authentication, so you might need to verify your identity. Next, input the amount you want to send and add any necessary notes or memos. Review everything carefully. Wells Fargo will show you a summary before you confirm. Hit that Send button, and you're good to go. Processing times can vary, but most ACH payments take 1 to 3 business days. A few quick tips to keep in mind. Always ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the transfer, and watch out for any potential fees, which are typically low with Wells Fargo. If you're sending to a new recipient, you might need to add them to your contacts first for faster future transfers. And there you have it. That's how you send an ACH payment with Wells Fargo in 2025. It's straightforward, safe, and a game changer for managing your finances. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.